And the race on impulsive decision from the outside is Baby Jade. On the further outside, Love or Money, Lim Shoti. In between runners, Complexion, Mystic Dragon, Deputy Stravinsky is the early trailer. Impulsive decision, Love or Money. And moving up by the Royal Complexion, Baby Jade, Lim Shoti is racing in fifth. Rushing up is Deputy Stravinsky, Mystic Dragon. Entering the fourth turn, it's now Love or Money by Sam two lengths, followed by Impulsive Decision. Baby Jade rushing up now to take second. Complexion, Mystic Dragon, Deputy Stravinsky, and Lim Shot is now running at the tail of the field. Last 450, Love or Money by Sam two lengths. Baby Jade, Impulsive Decision, and Complexion. And nearing the last 250, Love or Money by Sam three lengths, followed by Complexion, and Impulsive Decision, Baby Jade, Mystic Dragon, Lim Shoti, Deputy Stravinsky. And nearing the finish line, Love or Money, Complexion from the outside, and finally Love or Money. Complexion, Mystic Dragon, Deputy Stravinsky, Impulsive Decision, Lim Shoti, Baby J.